on the back.
Good, it's still there.
You guys are pals. Go on. Go on.
Haven't done it yet.
She must be under the dock still.
Yeah, lift the dock up a little bit so it springs it back the other way.
I don't know, we got it up. Can we put some more flotation under it?
No, it's all new flotation under that one anyhow. Well, kind of a little tweaked out of shape now, but it's got a little twist to it. It's a good project for Jim. He's back from Hawaii tomorrow. Diver Dad. That's me. Okay, now get in it and start it up and put it on the beach.
I think we can get it, no problem.
It's almost ready for a bilge pump.
Okay. Now I'll bet we can just pick this bow up with a line. And then we'll be able to pump it. I'll say there should be